Step 1 is cleansing using a sulfate-free cleanser. And the secret is making sure that the scalp is healthy. When you have a healthy scalp, you have healthy hair. When you cleanse, you want to remember to create a little bit of friction, and the flush of water is what's going to cleanse any buildup or environmental exposure. The reason we use a sulfate-free cleanser is sodium lauryl sulfates, that are the main ingredient in the shampoo, is designed to strip the natural oils. Curly hair is naturally dry, and we don't want to dry it out even more. Step 2 is our daily conditioner. It's going to moisturize the hair. You want to focus on the ends unless you're doing a co-wash. With your conditioner, you want to focus on the ends, work on detangling any knots or tangles, and evenly distributing the product throughout the hair. So now we're gonna go into styling. Step 1, keep the hair soaking wet. Our first step is the main squeeze, leave-in conditioner. Subdivide the hair into 3-inch sections. Start with the ends. Evenly distribute the products. Avoid the scalp. It's going to balance out the porosity and detangle her hair. Keep the hair soaking wet. Subdivide the hair. Detangle, smooth, polish. Avoid the scalp. We're using our fingers to detangle and to get a feeling of how much product is in her hair. I'm feeling for consistency in my product application. I'm feeling for combability, and if the hair has the proper amount of moisture. I'm starting with the ends, I'm smoothing, and I'm polishing. On tighter curls, we'd like to use the Seal the Deal Deep Conditioning. It's our hydrating mask. A little at a time. Start with the ends, detangle, avoid the scalp. Even distribution. Once she evenly applied the products, she could either let it air dry or diffuse. For looser curls, blot. For tighter curls, scrunch.